G'day guys, Chris from Flow Designs, and today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about our Mercedes rear adapter plate. Mercedes rear adapter plate. A common question we get asked all the time is why do you need this and how does it work? So, as a brief explanation, most Mercedes-Benz on the rear tailgate has a unique 4-bolt pattern, and this 4-bolt pattern you'll really quickly discover that it doesn't align with any number plate of any sort, be it slimline or heritage. So we're going to come up with a solution to adapt the 4 holes to a bracket of your choosing to suit your needs. If you're mounting on the plastic bumper, you won't need this. You just going to grab the bracket and put it straight on. So what we're going to do today is first of all install the adapter plate. So our 4 holes matches the 4 hole on the car, and from there you can choose your correct bracket, which will be smaller than the 4 holes. So you've got a slimline, you can buy our slimline adapter plate, or in this case, we've got a heritage plate. So we're going to adapt the 4 holes to a heritage bracket, so we can get that installed today.